mama, yeah, come follow me sing. Nkalapo, Nkalapo. For environmental justice, Mother Nature is crying out. Let's start by stopping carbon dioxide emissions. Stop the destruction of the Amazon rainforest. We need natural oxygen to survive. Oh, na na na. Hear me now? Mother Nature is crying out for justice. Ooh.
Mother Nature is crying out for justice, Lord of mercy. Mother Nature is crying out for justice.
A clean and a greener planet for I and I.
A clean and a greener planet for all mankind. Aquatic lives are endangered in our ocean. Toxic waste dumping should stop. Plastic materials in our ocean. Let's change our ways to prevent further pollution. What a good life Mother Nature has given to mankind. Yeah, one day, if you look around, Mother Nature is calling. Keep the environment clean, because this life is not funny. I believe in climate change. Let's make this planet a greener and a better place to live. World leaders come together so that we can have a climate agreement. Show love to Mother Earth so that we can fight climate change. That's the real life, the real source, the real energy, the source that creates life.
Climate change is a reality threatening all mankind. Temperatures are rising, glaciers are melting. Why, mankind? Why, oh why? I and I knows Mother Nature's anger leads to catastrophes. Yo. Mother Nature is crying out for justice. Ooh.
Mother Nature is crying out for justice. Mother Nature is crying out for justice. A clean and a greener planet for I and I. A clean and a greener planet for all mankind.
A clean and a greener planet for I and I.
A clean and a greener planet for all mankind.
Mother Nature is crying out for justice.